provide sa kuan physical removing physical barriers. So katong example, ang physical barrier ato is kanang nag-use of wheelchair. So despite na nag-use of wheelchair, maka-access gyapon siya sa mga toys because ang shelves kay naka-brace sa baba. Participation. Using a range of instructional approaches to promote engagement in play and learning activities and the sense
example of inclusive education. Example of inclusion in the classroom is providing information in multiple formats such as text, audio, and visual aids such as graphic organizers.
So, example na siya sa inclusive education, pinaka-basic na mag-provide ang teachers o mga learning materials or makakata sila ng multiple information na nag-rely o formats doon like such as text. Naman yung students na ilang learning kay mas makasabot sila if pinabasa nila na po ay students na mas makasabot sila if pinapaminaw. Also, na po yung mga students na mas makasabot sila if ina-explain ko sa teachers sa mga instructions. Di ba liyan? Next guy, there are two types of inclusive education. First is partial and second is full. So, kaning partial guys is students with special needs who spend part of their day in regular classroom and receive additional support in separate setting. So, ang pag-partial is nalay allotted na time na ang saka student kay ano siya sa basically normal nga classroom setting good and uban nga oras sa iyang pag-learn is depende kung pati ko sa gina-specialize na good para sa na student ka na ay dyslexia. So, di ba dyslexia ka na so, na-impart sa iyang klase guys na siya sa normal na classroom setting and pag about sa reading kanay ano ay na siya specialize nila ng classroom. And second is ang full where students receive all services in regular classroom. So, isa ko lang is na lang siya physical disability. So, pwede na ka na nalo siya sa ginamit niya siya sa kanang normal niya po ng classroom setting. Ito na siya mag-spend sa iyang day or sa iyang oras sa pag-learn. Ito lang siya sa normal na classroom. So, isa na ito ang two types of inclusive education early. Next is Pabaliw kung basa.
Provide students with and without disabilities many opportunities to establish relationships with their peers. These relationships form a beginning of friendships that are a source of fun and enjoyment, and an essential source of emotional support during challenging times.
So, inclusive learning environment helps students with or without disability build a relationship. So, really dapat mag-inter na mas kinakay disability or wala na really nakapag-build a relationship. And also, this friendship brings joy, support, and emotional comfort, especially during those tough times. So, in simple words, inclusive environment is gina-allow niya ang students to make friends, develop social skills, and support each other emotionally. So, diversity of learners.
Diversity comes from the Latin word divert, which means to turn away, to separate, or oppose. The Collins Dictionary defines diversity as the state or quality of being different or varied. A variety of assortment, a point of difference, the inclusion of people of different races, genders, and religions.
So, ang main thought lagi sa diversity guys is ang differences. Una, according kay Collins na diversity is quality of being different or varied. And example na kay sa isang classroom kay di ba lahat kita diri alay. May life at age, ethnic backgrounds, physical abilities, and social economic status.
So diversity of learners in special education. This refers to the wide range of differences in students' abilities, needs, backgrounds, and learning styles. At naman ni kagalina nila, ito ano malaki struggle to create a fully inclusive environment due to lack of training or resources. So, ang pinaka na issue is, hindi kita ng schools is kumpleto sa mga resources, sa mga teachers, hindi kita ng teachers is kumpleto sa mga trainings na para maka-provide yun of inclusive na environment sa mga students. 6 is the behavioral and emotional needs. So learners with behavioral disorders may need specialized interventions and supportive classroom management. So para itong giingon nila yung kagalingan mo, naagi ko ba ang students rin, wala na yung mga autism, and taas na sila sa higher up sa spectrum, so dili yun sila pili nga sabay sa ubang students. So need yun nila nga ilahi. Pero ang problema is, ang school kasi naladaliya is, wala sila form to intervene with the behavioral disorders to the child para nga mabutang sila sa specialized na classroom management. So, instructional strategies to address diverse needs. First is differentiated instruction, adapting lessons, materials, and assessment to meet different learning styles and ability. So, sa butabo naman tayo mo, ang lang kailangan is, as a teacher, you should be able to adapt the lessons, the assessments, para ma-meet mo ang different learning styles sa mga bata. So, kailangan yun ang mga ilahi yun na para dili lang isa ka bata, pero ang overall ng mga students is makasabot sila tanan sa mga lessons. Next is the Universal Design for Learning or UDL. This is designing flexible lessons that provide multiple means of representation, visual, auditory, hands-on, engagement, and expression. Tapos nag-ibig siya dito guys. So kanina, designing flexible lessons that provide multiple means ma'am. Nangatulog na sila, ma'am.